Okay, so I hope this helps. I just drew a quick body um, of a guitar. A little funky looking, but it'll get the job done. So first, uh, you'll want to go to your original body sketch. Mine looks a little something like this. This is going to be the arm cutout profile. Um, you can make it any way you like. It doesn't really matter as long as this is closed off. You can see how it's somewhat highlighted there, so you'd be able to extrude this. So you would just want to create your profile there. Um, and it helps to have your sketches fully defined. In this case, it doesn't matter, but for the rest of the operations for creating a guitar, it's really important to have everything fully locked in, all these black lines. So we'll go back here. And then what I want to do, which I've already done, but I'll show you, is you want to construct a plain long path right here. And then you would select the path that goes across the top of the body. And you can move this plane anywhere along that path that you would like. And just keep all of this as it is. You don't need to change it. Click OK. And then I'm going to hide that plane, show you the sketch that I had made for this particular carve, and they can look wildly different. But basically, here's the plane that I created. You can see it's along that path, and this would be a profile. So all I did, and you can have this curve this direction. You can actually add multiple curves with different planes along the path. But essentially, I just made this arc. I had some construction here for helper surfaces that so I can make this curved tangent, and then I just defined these lines as far as how far out the curve that I want to go. But this is all fully constrained, and you can see that here when you have this little red mark that your sketch is fully constrained. But you'll just create that along the path. It helps to turn off the body. Otherwise, your mouse is going to want to snap to a bunch of areas you don't want it. Um, and then once you have your profile of the cutout that you want, just go ahead and finish that sketch. Turn off the sketches and go to the body here. Um, and then you're just going to come up here to your sweep command under solids. Hit sweep. You want to turn on your body with your enclosed sketch. That's going to be your profile. And then your path is going to be this curvature that you created. And then you click that. I've already done it, so it's got this really weird shape that it's trying to interpolate. I want me to join it together, but since there's nothing there, it's not going to allow me to cut it. But basically, um, that's all you're going to do, and it's going to create that relief carve for you, and you can also adjust how far along this curve you want to go. But um, so actually, I can come back here in the timeline, go before that, and then I'll show you that again. To go sweep, turn on our sketches. This is the profile. This is the path, and as you can see, that's what it's going to cut. Now again, you can change this um, into a ton of different variations. You can have multiple paths in this. Um, and then there's a whole lot of other things you can do. This is the most simplistic way I've found to make those comfort carves, and that is what I use for up in the or underneath on the belly carve, and then the carves around the neck joint. So then you can just hit OK and hide your sketches, and there is your carve. And you can go back into your sketches and adjust to kind of get that the way you want it to. But that's how I do it. Hope it helps.